Shahzad wickets means to them.
Fine leg up in the circle, poor delivery shot, and it was on to the leg stump, and it's been down the ground, just over the top of that fielder. It's gone for 4.
And play all the 3 overs within the power play. Now Sharafuddin Ashraf in the 3rd over. Shahidi dispatches this. It's in the air and it's out of the ground out of the park for maximum.
New ball, nothing much happening for the spinners. Sharafuddin Ashraf, it's a different case today. In the finals, it was very different last year. But now inside the power play overs, 2 powerful batsmen, especially Shahidi, trying to give a bit of room to himself, maintain his shape, and full flourish of the bat. It's Hughes. Right on the boundary ropes. This time he gets it fine. It finally up in the circle, running away to the boundary.
والوتا یو داسې تفریح برابر کړه د شپږیزې لیگ ښکلی شاټ لا جوابه دا ځل هم د حشمت الله څنګه کولی سي چې
Wow, excellent shot. The puri shot. The boundary se khada bandi ښکلی شپږیزه. حشمت الله شاهدي ارادي څه خطرناک ښکاري ځکه چې هغه په دغه شپږیزه کې غواړي چې یوازې د شپږیزو او څلوریزو په مټ باندې خپل استعداد وښیي. ډېری وخت به د کرکټ مینوالو د هم تاسو ریپلي ګرتیا غځولی سي.
بالکل همدغسې د سټرایک روټیټ کول مهم دي. یو ځل بیا حشمت شاهدي له بیټه ښکلی شاټ فیلډر هڅه وکړه.
Mood version 2.
It goes again this time and he hits it firmly. Another excellent stroke boundary to complete his half century. This has been a magnificent intent-making half century. It's been applauded by everyone. A standing ovation from the dressing room. A satisfying knock already from matches. Down the track. Another handsome stroke, giving no chance to the field.
They will be definitely looking at going against the bowlers. Guiding this beautifully.
To strike balance here, Waqar Salamkil to continue. Down the track, flat, straight to the fielder, diving forward. Magnificent catch.